Hey guys, welcome to our first video. Today I'm going to provide an in-depth tutorial on how to make your own gamified habit tracker. Before we begin, note that today's tutorial focuses on creating a character, as I'm currently in the process of devising a simpler tutorial for multiple characters. If you want a pre-made version now with 2 characters, you can visit my store to download it. Although it is not free, it will greatly support me in my mission to take Notion to the next level. Additionally, you need Notion. You can also download it using the link provided below or on my website. I also have a video note up on my blog, so check it out if you prefer a written version. Now that everything is set, the first thing you have to do is open up a blank page. Name it, decorate it however you like. Then create 2 columns. In each column, create a database. The first one named Habit Tracker on the left and the another one Character on the right. Rename the database view and add icon to it. This is optional, it is just to make it look nice. Now that's done, delete all the database entry. In the Habit Tracker database, rename the title property to Entries. Create a new checkbox property for each habit you want to track. You can create as many as you like. Here, I'm creating 6 checkbox properties for 6 habits that I want to track. Now we are creating a new formula properties called daily points, which will count the number of checkboxes. Click Edit Formula, simply type 2 number and place your first habit inside it. Type plus and do the same for all habits. How it works is very straightforward. The function toNumber returns 1 when the checkbox is checked and 0 vice versa, so adding these values together will give you the total number of checkboxes. Now moving on to the character database, rename the title property to character, delete the tag property. Next, create a new relation property related to the habit tracker. Toggle show on habit tracker, type in character in related property on habit tracker. This will establish a connection between 2 databases, and you'll also notice a property named character in habit tracker database. To accumulate point, create a new roller property called point. This will calculate the total number of points based on the completed habits. Now set the relation to habit tracker, property to daily point, and calculate as sum. Next, create a new character by creating a new entry in character database. Name it however you like. I name it Day Bunny since this is a character I'll be using to track my morning habit. Now let's customize the character database. Click on the database view, edit view, layout, and choose gallery. Select page cover, card size to medium, and this will make the page cover appear as the image on the database. Now click on the character, add cover. I recommend adding a GIF file that you like. For me, I'm adding a GIF file that I created with my own brand logo to give it more of a game-like feel. Now close the page, go to property and show point. Delete all the entries in the habit tracker if you got any, then click on filter, select filter, then choose the character that you created. Next, create a new entry. You'll notice that this entry is linked to the character, in my case, Day Bunny. Now when you check boxes, the points should be accumulated in the character that you linked to. Hide the character properties, and now we are going to create a progress bar. Click on daily point, edit property, then in show as, choose bar. Next, add the total number of habit into divided by. Choose the color if you like, and you're ready to go. This next step is also optional. We are going to customize the tracker to give it the look of a checklist. Create a created time property and apply a filter for this week. This will display only the habit relevant for this week, preventing an excessively long list of habits in the future. Change the habit tracker to a gallery view. Set the card preview to none, card size to small, and show all checkbox properties. The next tip is to automate the habit tracker using repeat feature. Click on the arrow next to new, select new template, set the title to add today, date when duplicated, link the character. Close the page and now find this page again. Click on 3 dots next to it, select repeat, set repeat to every day and save your changes. Now we are going to add motivational messages. Begin by creating a new formula property called message. Now edit the formula property. First, we need to convert point, which is a number, into a sequence of characters using the format function. This will allow us to concatenate point with the motivational quote. I am also adding points as a unit and a vertical bar as a separator. Now we're going to implement the if statement to display varied messages. The first if parameter is a condition, such as if prop point is less than 11. You can adjust it however you like. The second parameter defines the action when the condition is true. Here it displays the message keep on going. You can conclude with an else expression, which is executed when all conditions are false. Or you can choose to add more conditions like I'm doing right now. So similarly, the third parameter is another condition if point is less than 101. The first parameter sets the message display when this condition is true. Here the message will stay focused, and this goes on. I'm gonna fast forward this process. You can check out the written version of the exact formula that I use in my blog. Click done once you're done, and you can test it out. Oh, first you have to display the message property on the gallery view. Now you can test it out. You can see the message is changing when it reaches the certain threshold, and now you're all set. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Check out my website for pre-made template if you're interested, and again, this will really help me to continue with my journey of taking Notion to the next level. See you in the next video!